Alright guys, put a couple $100 in after the live on best bet. Going back and forth, 625 and 1250 bets. Seems like this machine likes that max bet. Max bet nickels, so let's go. See if we can just drop a minor. Or just small balls, trophies, whatever you want to call them. We got the 125 up there. There's another 50. Minor floating around in there. Come on, save it. Alright, that'll do it. Decent bonus. 387.50. Not the greatest on a 1250 bet, but we'll take it. Not bad. Alright guys, we'll be back for the next bonus. Alright guys, back on best bet. 750 bet, 10 cent denom. Those are pretty big numbers. Got 150, there's like $400 already. This could be a really good bonus if we get one or two more. There you go. Not a bad bonus, guys. $660. Alright, 660. We'll see you guys on the next bonus. Let's try this again. 2 cent denom, $10 bet. Let's go best bet. What is the best bet? Oh, that's huge, guys. $260 already. Oh, come on, bonus. I want one bonus and a bonus. Oh, that was it. Oh, man. Come on, one more. Last spin. That's a great bonus, guys. $270. Alright, guys. Back to 10-cent denom. $25 bet. 3 and 3. Exactly how you're supposed to trigger a bonus. Let's go. 2 big numbers in there. Let's see if we could not hand pay it. Let's get right under a hand pay. Right there. No more. We're pretty damn close. Alright, last spin. Don't do it. Alright, now you really gotta stop. Ah, there's your hand pay. Damn it. Wanted to be right under a hand pay. Alright, well. So much for not hand paying. Oh, the major and minor are both in there. That's bigger than the last one, 1,500. Guys, we got it back on 5-cent denom. 6.25 bet. Got a good one here. There you go. Needed that one. Bonus was being horrible. 6.25 bet. Like $70. Major. There it goes again. Man, that could have been it without that. Put the horse and a lady in there. 125. Come on, 3 spins left. Let's get that bonus and a bonus. last game. Nah, not bad. About 125 bucks.